Good morning and Jai Hind, dear students. Welcome to physics class. Children, today we are going to start the new chapter in physics, that is chapter number 15, water. Okay, so it is on page number 173 of your book. So everybody please open page number 173, chapter number 15, water. Okay, be ready with your pencil. Children, like we have completed all the syllabus of annual term, only this chapter is left and few activities are left to be written in your activity notebook. So in the next class of physics, that is next Monday, I am going to send you the activity, okay, all the activities that are left. So you will write all these activities in your activity notebook, physics activity notebook. Okay, now today we are going to start this chapter, that is chapter 15, water. Okay, and this is children very simple, very easy chapter. We are aware about all the things in this chapter, just we have to compile it and brief it. Okay, so children, as the name of the chapter says, water. So the moment we listen about water, तो क्या आता है हमारे दिमाग में? Water, definitely, but just go into a larger area. If we talk about the complete earth, so what is the status of water? What is the status of availability of water on this planet earth? I think if you know that 3/4 of the area of the earth is covered with water, and that is why when you look from above, like from the craft, आपको जब earth देखोगे तो it looks blue in color because of the presence of water. Okay, so 3/4 of the area of earth is covered with water. Okay, but still we say that there is scarcity of water. हमें पानी वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए, हमें पानी बचा के रखना चाहिए. Don't waste water. Why all the time we are said not to waste water if there is plenty of water on the earth? So children, this chapter water will tell you all these answers, that why even if we have a plenty of water on the earth, but still we say there is a scarcity of water. So what is the reason behind that? Where waters are found, the places where waters are available, okay, that we will talk about. We'll also talk about what is difference between the water that we drink and the water that are available in the river or in the lake or the surface water. Okay, this also we'll talk about in this chapter. We'll also see the different states of water, like can water exist in the icy state or in the watery state or in the gaseous state. This also we will see in this chapter. Alright children, so let's start with it. So this is the chapter number 15, water. So in this chapter, first we will see what is the importance of water for sustaining life, like how water is important for us, for animals, for plants. Okay, this we will see in this topic. Then we will talk about states of matter. States of water means, see, we know that we have studied in the previous classes that there are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. But do water also exist in all these three states? This we will study in this topic. Then we have a small activity. Sorry. Then we'll see change of state. Change of state as in, like I have talked about, like I have just now told you, there are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Change of state means कि सॉलिड को लिक्विड में चेंज करना, लिक्विड को गैस में चेंज करना, या किसी भी even like we can convert gas into water or water into ice. Any such possibility or any such conversion is change of state. So in this topic we will talk about different changes of state, how we can convert water into ice, ice into water, and then ice into gaseous state and water into gaseous state. So all these things we will see in this topic, that is change of state. Then, so these are the different possibilities, possible changes. Then very important in this chapter is water cycle. Children, I think we have already discussed it in the previous chapters, that what is water cycle. So this is also very important, and this you need to learn this diagram. Okay. Then we will talk about sources of water, like from where we can get the water. Okay. Like from rainwater or groundwater, surface water, all these things we will see in this topic. Then what is drought and what is flood? Clear? These are the natural calamities that occurs because of either scarcity of water or because of the overflow or abundance of water. या पानी ज्यादा हो जाए उसकी वजह से, या पानी की कमी हो जाए उसकी वजह से, जो भी natural calamities होती है, these are the two natural calamities. And also tsunami is also there, that it is also because of water. Then conversion of water, how we can conserve water. Okay, because water is in scarcity, so we need to conserve it. So how we can conserve the water. ठीक है, वाटर को कैसे प्रिजर्व कर सकते हैं, कैसे हम उसको फिर से यूज कर सकते हैं. तो दिस इज कंजर्वेशन ऑफ वाटर. Okay, so these are the topic that we will study in this chapter. So starting with the basic introduction of this chapter. Okay, so first we'll talk about the introductory part of this chapter, that is, let's have a look. So just now I have told you that the earth itself, the 3/4 of area of the earth is covered with water, and that is why earth is also called a blue planet. Okay, so why earth is called blue planet? Because when you look it from the above, तो अर्थ का जो शेप दिखता है और अर्थ का जो कलर दिखता है, इट लुक्स ब्लू basically because of the presence of water all over. So you can see, children, maximum of the area is covered with water in the earth. That is 3/4 of the area is covered with water. What does 3/4 means, children? 3/4 means if we have a circle and it is divided into 4 parts, then the 3 part is covered with water. Okay. So this is 3/4 area is covered with water, but still we say that we have a scarcity of water. तब भी हम कहते हैं कि हमें वाटर की कमी है. क्यों है पानी की कमी? The reason behind is that in this 3/4 area of water, 97% of water is salty in nature. Okay, इसमें से 97% वाटर ऐसा है जो बहुत ज्यादा सॉल्टी है, विच हैज हाई सॉल्ट कंटेंट. तो क्या चिल्ड्रन हम नमक वाला पानी पी सकते हैं? पी सकते हैं, लेकिन क्या हमेशा हम लोग नमक वाला पानी पी सकते हैं? नहीं, वी कैन नॉट ड्रिंक इट. क्या हम नमक वाले पानी से हम कपड़े धो सकते हैं? नहीं, द क्लोथ विल गेट टॉन, वो कपड़े क्या होंगे, खराब हो जाएंगे. ओके, क्या हम नमक वाले पानी को पेड़ में डाल सकते हैं? कैन वी गिव वाटर टू द प्लांट? this salty water? No, we cannot, because plants will die. Okay. Can animals live in salty water? Few of them can live in salty water, not all. Okay. So, in this complete water, जितना भी पानी है, उसमें से 97% of the water is salty, which is containing salt, and it is present in ocean and sea. Basically, the water of ocean and sea are salty water. Alright, and maximum of the area in this 3/4 region is covered by ocean and sea. Okay, so that is why we say that we have a scarcity of water. Now again I'll explain it to you that 97% water is salty water that we cannot drink, that we cannot use. Rest we are left with 3%. इस 3% में से भी there are certain water which are converted into glaciers, that is icy or ice cap. Okay, few of them are present in puddles. Okay, puddles is कीचड़ का पानी हो गया या कहीं पे पानी लॉगिंग हो गई, कहीं वाटर की लॉगिंग हो गई, तो these are called puddles. ठीक है, तो ग्लेशियर्स में हो गया आइस कैप, तो इसको भी हम यूज नहीं कर सकते. Okay, we cannot use the icy water, we cannot use the puddles water. Getting it? Few water is the groundwater, the water that is present underneath the earth surface. अर्थ के सरफेस के नीचे जो पानी प्रेजेंट है, दैट इज कॉल्ड ग्राउंड वाटर. दो वी यूज इट फॉर ड्रिंकिंग पर्पस, but still few amount of water is not used. So likewise, in 3% of water में से भी इतने सारे पानी क्या हो गए, वेस्ट हो गए. So we are left with merely 1% of water that we can use. Okay, so we only have 1% water beta that is used. Rest all other water is of no use. Like no use means that we cannot use it, plants cannot use it, animals cannot use it, we humans cannot use it. Okay, that is why these water are not in use, and that is why we say that we have scarcity of water. ओके, एंड अमंग दीज इसमें से भी ये जो 1% वाटर है, वो वाटर इतना ज्यादा पोल्यूट हो चुका है अब कि स्टिल इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू यूज दीज वाटर फॉर डोमेस्टिक पर्पसेस. डोमेस्टिक पर्पस का मतलब ये होता है हाउस होल्ड वर्क के लिए. ओके, सो वी कैन नॉट यूज इट. दैट इज व्हाई वी से दैट देयर इज स्कैर्सिटी ऑफ वाटर. नाउ sorry, where are water found on earth? अर्थ में कहाँ पे वाटर प्रेजेंट होता है? सो यू कैन सी हियर चिल्ड्रन दिस, ये आपने अक्सर देखा होगा ड्यूरिंग रेनी सीजन, रोड पे कुछ गड्ढे होते हैं और वहां पे पानी जमा हो जाता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड puddle. This is called puddle. So here we can find water. This is pond. We can find water in pond area. Okay, what is this, children? Are you familiar with this picture? Yes, definitely. This is Ghat and this is river. Which river? Ganga river. Okay. So this we can find water in river also. Okay, and this is very useful because especially in Banaras, जो भी हमारे घर में पानी आता है वो गंगा जी से ही आता है. Okay, so this water only comes to our home, though definitely after treating. ठीक है, so this is a river और रिवर का जो वाटर होता है, लाइक वी कैन फाइंड वाटर इन द रिवर ऑल्सो. Then we have lakes. This is lake. Okay. Can find water in lake also. Oceans. These are ocean, like we have Indian Ocean, Arabian Ocean. So all these types of oceans are also there. And in sea. Okay. So water is available at in the sea, in the ocean, in the river, lake, pond, puddles, everywhere. इसमें से used कितने हैं? See, we cannot use the water, sea water, because it is salty. Okay, we cannot use the water of ocean again because it is salty. Okay, we can use the water here of the lake, and definitely we can use the water of river. We cannot use the water of pond also. We cannot use this puddle also. तो इतने पानी तो वेस्ट हो गए. वी आर ओनली लेफ्ट विद द वाटर ऑफ रिवर एंड लेक. लेक में भी जनरली हम यूज नहीं करते बिकॉज इट इज स्टैटिक. मतलब ये एक जगह पे होता है तो इसमें पॉल्यूशन के चांसेस ज्यादा होते हैं एज कंपेयर टू रिवर. ओके, so that is why we have scarcity of water. Getting it, children? There are, अच्छा children, imagine आपने ये everybody has seen a hand pump. I think most of you must have used it also. तो ये हैंड पंप में पानी कहाँ से आता है? इस हैंड पंप में पानी, हैव यू एवर इमेजिन कि ये पानी कहाँ से आता है? ये पानी कहाँ से आता है बेटा? इस हैंड पंप पे ये पाइप देख रहे हो? ओके, दिस पाइप goes deep inside the ground. Okay, it goes deep inside the ground and water is present at the ground level. ठीक है, ग्राउंड में भी क्या है, कुछ वाटर प्रेजेंट है. सो इट पंप्स द वाटर फ्रॉम हियर एंड द वाटर कम्स आउट. ओके, it pumps it and the water comes out. So this water that is available at the ground level is called ground water. क्या बोलते हैं इसको हम? Ground water, and it is considered to be a fresh water and it has very less pollution. Okay, it is very less polluted. Getting it? And at our home also, जब मशीन चलाते हैं, जब पंप चलाते हैं, then also the water कहाँ से आता है? ग्राउंड लेवल से आता है. Okay, so these are the places where we can find the water. Clear? Let's see what is written in the text first, and then children, I think my voice is audible because all right. Okay, so I think my voice is audible, children, because I'm having cold and cough. So please bear it with me if I'm not audible and I'm not clear. Okay, all right. So water. About 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. This we have seen. Water is found in puddles, ponds, rivers, lakes, and oceans. It is present under the ground and in the glaciers in the form of ice. Okay, it is also present in the form of ice. It is also present in air in the form of water vapor. Okay, water vapor के form में air में भी water present होता है. Clear? However, we still hear of shortage of water at many places. So what is the reason behind it? What is the reason why we always say that there is shortage or scarcity of water? So the reason are listed here because 97.4% of the available water is in seas and ocean, which cannot be directly used by us. We cannot use it directly because it's high salt content. Because of its high salt content. A lot of fresh water is frozen in glaciers. कुछ पानी ऐसे होते हैं जो ग्लेशियर्स में जाके आइस बन जाते हैं. That also we cannot use. So thus we are only left with 0.01% of the water on the earth which is available for us for consumption. See, we are only left with 0.01%. कितना कम पानी है. इसीलिए हम कहते हैं कि हमें पानी वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. ओके, नाउ इमेजिन अ लाइफ विदाउट वाटर. क्या आप सर्वाइव कर पाएंगे? आवर डे स्टार्ट्स विद वाटर. The moment we wake up, we go to washroom, we brush our teeth, we require water. We take bath, we require water. We drink water, then also we require water. Every time and every moment we require water. We cannot survive without water, beta. We can survive without food for a week at least. But we cannot survive without water for even a day. Okay? So, water is very, very, very essential and we should not waste water. Okay. So water is not evenly spread on the earth. They may be, there may be floods at some place and complete lack of rain for years and others at other places. Like water is not evenly spread. ठीक है, कहीं पे ऐसा होता है कि बहुत ज्यादा पानी है तो वहां पे फ्लड आ जाता है. फ्लड को हिंदी में हम कहते हैं बाढ़ आ जाती है. When the water of river comes above its level and it reaches our homes. It is very common in Banaras during rainy season. We have most of the time seen that the water of Gangaji comes to our school also at the playground. Okay, at times it does. At times it comes to the places there where the Gangaji is present. It comes to the house, which is called flood. Okay, which causes various destruction. ओके, सो कहीं कहीं पे ऐसा होता है कि पानी बहुत ज्यादा है तो वहां पे फ्लड आ जाता है. कहीं पे ऐसा होता है कि इतनी ज्यादा स्कार्सिटी है वाटर की कि देयर ड्रॉट अकर्स. ड्रॉट इज सूखा पड़ जाता है वहां पे, लाइक इन राजस्थान स्पेशली. ओके, in Rajasthan area what happens, there is so much scarcity of water that even plant does not grow properly there. Okay, people have so much lack of water that they cannot like they have to pay for water for everything. Okay, so water is not evenly spread. This is one of the reason. Groundwater is an important source of fresh water for us. Groundwater is only considered as the fresh water क्योंकि वो जल्दी pollute नहीं होता, because it is not present at the surface और वो air के contact में नहीं है, इसलिए वो जल्दी गंदा नहीं होता. Okay, so groundwater is considered as a fresh water and it is suitable for drinking. Clear? However, humans have interfered with the natural renewable processes of groundwater. Like we have also interrupted that water. हमने क्या किया है, उसमें इतनी ज्यादा पाइप्स डाल दी है और उसमें बोरिंग करवा दी है और सब करवा दिया है. तो क्या हो रहा है उससे कि जब कंसिडर हैंडपंप, हैंडपंप का जो पाइप है वो पानी में गया नीचे. ठीक है, पानी में क्या हो सकता है, उसमें रस्टिंग हो, लाइक जो पाइप गई है उसमें रस्टिंग हो सकती है इफ इट इज ऑफ आयरन. So will that rust will go into the water, okay, and will again be pumped up. So we may drink that rusted water, which is not good for our health. Getting it? Pipe hai. If it is of pipe is of iron, so iron may get rusted. उसमें जंग लग सकती है और जब उसमें जंग लग जाएगी तो वो जंग क्या होगी, पानी में मिक्स हो जाएगा. Okay, and the water will become polluted. Getting it? And there are a number of things that humans are doing and interrupting the fresh water, that is groundwater. Okay. Now, pollution of sources of water such as river, lakes, groundwater has resulted in deterioration of the quality of water available to us. So, children, this is very कॉमन एंड यू मस्ट हैव सीन इट। जब आप लोग घाट पे जाते हो तो देखते हो कि पानी बहुत गंदा आ रहा है, पानी बहुत गंदा है, उसमें कभी कोई प्लास्टिक डाल देता है, कोई उसी में नहा रहा है, कोई उसमें कपड़े धो रहा है। सो वो सारी गंदगी कहाँ जाती है? वो रिवर में जा रही है। एंड हु इज डूइंग इट? वी आर डूइंग इट, वी ह्यूमंस आर डूइंग इट। Getting it? So we should avoid all these things. We should avoid polluting the water because we are only left with 0.01% of water for consumption. So the day will come कि हमारे पास पानी ही नहीं होगा अच्छा. So can we, like, will we be able to survive? No, we will not be. What will happen to our future generation? They will also not survive. Okay, so that is why it is time and again said that we should not waste water, we should not pollute water. Okay, water is very precious, water is very essential for survival, not for us, even for animals and for plants and everybody, every living organism. Okay, so that was the introductory part of this chapter, children. In the next class, we'll study further about this chapter. We'll also see the importance of water for sustaining life, states of water, and everything. Okay, so please go through this chapter. Today's homework for you is to read page number 173 and 174. Okay, so you will read these two chapter pages, page number 173 and 174. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you and Jai Hind everybody.